Hey, how's it going? So this has been bugging you for a while here, Raiden. Given that you have an OpenAI paid subscription, which most people seem to, why do people still opt to use Anthropic's API and pay through the nose for it? That's a very fair question. And honestly, if you're not married to your account on Anthropic, I just recommend that you get the Max plan and you connect that to your OpenClaw. It's not allowed according to their terms of service. There are a few employees at Anthropic that have said that it is fine to use the subscription with your OpenClaw anyway, and it's just not allowed for people that are reselling OpenClaw with or doing business activities to make money off of arbitraging OpenClaw's tokens, basically. So what you can do is you can connect your OpenClaw API subscription. You can also connect Anthropic's, right? So you can do either GPT or Anthropic if you want. GPT 5.3 is not that bad. Like it is. So let's say Anthropic is up here, GPT is down here, and then you have Gemini, which is here. So you just choose kind of what quality that you want in terms of output. But it definitely works. And I would even argue that GPT is even better at doing backend work, right? So if you want to build a mission control, if you want to build a coding solution or whatever that's going to connect with your OpenClaw, then GPT is going to be more than fine for you to do that. And I feel you on the cost. That is why I'm talking about OpenClaw kind of not being the most efficient thing right now. If you want to build stuff inside of it, I would say that OpenClaw is going to be where you handle things autonomously. So it's where you go for the automation layer, and then Claude Code or Claude Code is your building layer, right? So you build with Claude, and then you migrate to OpenClaw, and that's basically where you're gonna have the most success. Cool. I hope that makes sense. If you have more questions, I would recommend that you post a new post. Don't respond inside of this. Post a new post with your follow-up questions, because I want to create a database of questions that we can tackle, basically.